Hello children, it's Maths with Miss Fletcher and we're going to do counting again. Do you remember yesterday we were counting in an order and we counted what I call going up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you ever heard anyone count backwards? Do you want to try with me? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then there were none. You might have heard a space rocket going off. You count backwards and then it's pooh, take off. And I like to count backwards too. If we're tidying up, sometimes I count backwards, and when I get to the 1 and the 0 means we all have to sit on the carpet. So it's a good thing to know how to count backwards. In your story today, we have a story about 10 red apples. And as the apples fall off the tree, we have to count backwards. So shall we have a practice before we watch the story? I have a red apple tree here, but I'm not sure how many are on my tree, so perhaps you can help me count when I touch count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm all confused where I started. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, where do I count next? Oh, Miss Fletcher, I'm getting a little bit confused how to count them. I have an idea. If I write a number on each of the apples, then I will know which ones I've counted. Let's see if you can count with me and I'll write the numbers. So I need my pen. So let's have a look. Number 1. Come right down and that is all. And then my number 2. Curl around, slide to the right. Number 3. Curl around, round some more. Number 4, I'm going to go down and then with my line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down and around, put a hat on the top. Number 6. Curl around and round some more. Number 7. Slide to the right, slam it down. I like that one. Oh, I like this one as well. Number, I'm going to do 4 and 4, 8. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate. My number 9. And the last number on my apple is going to be the number 10. A 1 and a 0. So I know I've got 10 red apples and I'm not confused anymore because I wrote on my apples. We're going to do a craft later and you're going to have a chance to write the numbers on your apples too. Let's have a look what happens if we want to count backwards. So we counted up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted up. Now we're going to count down and what I call backwards. On my tree, the apples in the autumn after the summer, they fall off, don't they? They fall off so that they're ready to eat or ready to cook to put in an apple pie. Let me pull them off the tree. So it's going, oops, Miss Fletcher, I don't need the pen anymore. I need to bring my apple down. Come on, apple. Come on. And it falls on onto the ground. So one fell off, and now there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another one fell off. So we went 10, 9. Oh, let's see how many we have left. It's what I call my number bonds. We've got 2, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See what happens when another one falls off. What's another one come off? So we've got 3 on the ground. And there's always 10 apples in my picture, aren't there? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting backwards. I'm doing lots of things here with my counting, aren't I? So I've got 3 on the ground and 7 on my tree. We take another one down, and then there were, how many were left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what happens if we take another one down. Another one comes down, and then there were 5. Another one comes down, and there were 4. 3. Help me count. 2. 1. And then there were none. So there are no more apples on my tree. So we counted backwards. We took them off the tree, didn't we? So when we're reading our story later about the 10 red apples, perhaps you can count and see how many are still left on the tree. And have a look to see who eats the apples in our story. See you later.